I want to see my family. I want to see my family. So the people there say, you cannot go home. So the angel just say, many people with the sword in my hand, see many people with white. So they began telling me, if you as a Christian, as a born again Christian, if you are not baptized, you need to baptize. They say no matter, even though you are apostle, you be evangelist, you be pope, if you don't baptize, you will never make heaven. They began singing, you must baptize, you must baptize, you must baptize. I said, He said, go to Amos 3:3, Amos 3, Amos 3, Amos 3, Amos 3, Amos 3, Amos 3. The angels began to sing, you must baptize. Baptism is a ticket to heaven. No matter a man of God, no matter your preaching, no matter your evangelizing, no matter the soul you win, with that you don't baptize, you will never make heaven. That is the message. My fellow Christians, pastors, evangelists, if you know you have not baptized, you better do that. He said, because John baptized Jesus Christ in the river Jordan, I say heaven opened and the angels of God descend upon him, and God said, this is my beloved son. So the day you baptize, the Holy Spirit will descend upon you. Heaven will open and the Holy Spirit will descend upon you. From that day, you have the tickets to heaven. My brothers and sisters, this is a message to the Christians. And this is the message to the pastors, to the churches of God on earth. Please, as a Christian, you need to baptize because you don't know. Trumpet can blow anytime. You may sleep, you may not wake up. That is the end of your life. They say, who is speaking so? God said, I can use anyone to confer the wise. I can use the weak thing to confer the wise. My brothers and sisters, as you hear this message, please, you have to go and baptize. As a Christian, you need to baptize. Baptism is very necessary by immersion, not by sprinkling of water. Many pastors today in the earth, many of them are not baptized, and they are preaching the gospel, and they are evangelizing the gospel. They are not baptized. They turn the Bible upside down. Hosea 4:6, the book of Hosea 4:6, it says, my people perish. My people are destroyed for lack of knowledge, because they has rejected knowledge. I will also reject them. You see, he said, I will also reject them. The end say, the lamb, the God, I will also forget the children, because they lack wisdom. People destroy for lack of knowledge. The day you give your life to Christ, the day you just begin to preach, you will not follow the due procedure. You need to follow the procedure for you to win heaven, for you to make heaven. My brother, this is free. My sister, this is free. From on Monday to on Tuesday night, May 26th, this is the message I have. They say I cannot come to earth. I began pleading. Now I left that place. The angel took me to a room. And that room, there are many angels in that room. Everybody have his own rooms. He now gave me a letter to deliver to the biggest angel. He said, look inside that room. You will see an angel. That is the biggest angel. He said, drop the paper there, but don't enter inside the room, just drop the paper beside the corner, you will see a table there. When I look, I saw only the feather. Only the feather occupied the mighty room. Only the feather of the angel, only the feather alone. I have not seen a head. I have not seen the only one feather alone cover the full house. From there, I dropped the paper and I left. Because there are many rooms. He's still showing me some of the room. So I now left the man, the angel, and I went to one room where they pack things, machine and big engine. Big engine in that room. I start clear. The way I pick that engine is like a trailer. But I don't know how I carried the engine out from the room and I'll be clearing that room. When I pick the engine,